In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're shifting responsibilities, changing roles, or just wrapping up a project, knowing how to exit a team gracefully is a useful skill. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Simply type in Microsoft Teams into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results pop up, and what you're looking for is the official Microsoft Teams link. Click on this link to navigate to the Teams web app. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams site, the next move is to log into your account. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you can access your Teams dashboard. Most often, you might be prompted for your work email and password. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're entering the correct information to avoid login issues. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you should see an icon labeled Teams. Clicking this icon will bring up a list of all the teams you're currently a part of. This menu is essentially your hub for managing the various groups and projects you're involved in, so it's worth getting familiar with if you're new to Microsoft Teams. Now, scan through your list to locate the specific team you wish to leave. It's okay if it takes a moment. Just scroll through until you find the right one. There could be several teams listed, depending on your involvement, but there's no rush. Once you've found the team in question, look for the More Options menu. It'll appear as a set of 3 dots, or ellipses, right next to the team name. Click on this symbol to reveal a drop-down menu of additional actions you can take. Within this drop-down list, you should see an option that says Leave Team. Select this option to proceed with removing yourself from the team. It's a straightforward option aimed at ensuring you're sure about leaving before it happens. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is to make sure that you truly intend to exit the team. Confirm your choice by clicking the appropriate button. Just like that, you've left the team. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed yourself from a team in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick process, but each step is important to ensure you're leaving without any mix-ups. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Microsoft Teams, feel free to explore our other videos for more detailed tutorials.